Hi everyone, today we will see tourism related MCQ. Please subscribe my channel if you find it informative.
From the following, match the correct pair of the editor, editors, and title of the book. Correct answer is answer 4. Michael Hall, Stephen Gosling, and Daniel Scott. Book name: The Routledge Handbook of Tourism and Sustainability. Question number 2. As per the Farman King's order, preserved in the Rajasthan State Archives, Bikaner the Haveli or Haveli on the which Taj Mahal was constructed belonged to a Rajput noble. It was purchased from a descendant of the novel. From the following, identify the novel who owned the Haveli. First, Mirza Raja Jai Singh. Second, Mota Raja Uday Singh. Third, Raja Rai Singh. Fourth, Raja Bir Singh Dev Bundela. Answer is Mirza Raja Jai Singh. Question number 3. As per Indian Tourism Statistics 2017, which one was not the international checkpost for foreign tourist arrivals in India in 2016? First, Delhi. Second option, Jaipur. Third, Goa. Fourth, Haridaspur. Answer is Jaipur. The Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2016 contains certain silent features. Point out from the below which one is the silent feature of the bill. First option, the altruistic ethical surrogacy is for the intending infertile couple between the age of 23 to 50 years and 26 to 55 years for female and male representatively. Second option, the intending couple should not necessarily be legally married and should not necessarily be Indian citizen. Third option, the intending couple shall not abandon the child born out of surrogacy producer under any condition. Fourth option, the child born through surrogacy will have the same rights as are the available for the biological child. Answer number 2 is right answer. The intending couple should not necessarily be legally married and should not necessarily be Indian citizens. Question number 5. Pakistan Chief Justice Saqib Nishar fled the government for its inability to safeguard one of the Hindu minority most revered place of worship. Nishar described that it being a national heritage site must be protected and directed authority in Punjab province to form a committee to probe the issue. Select the correct name of the scared place. Right answer is Katas Raj Temple. Panna Tiger Reserve is spread over the Panna and Chhatarpur districts. The terrain consists of extensive plateau and gorges. The plateau are the part of Aravalli Range, Vindhyachal Range, Himalaya Range, Karakoram Mountain Range. Answer is Vindhyachal Range. The World Heritage Program that catalogs and conserves sites of outstanding cultural and natural importance is run by UNICEF, UNICEF, UNESCO, CO, UNESCO, WHO, INTACH, INTIC. Answer is UNESCO. Itmud al-Dawla, who was the father of Empress Noor Jahan and father-in-law of Empire Jahangir, was an Iranian novel. His tomb is one of the beautiful monuments. The white marble tomb, about 7 meters per side, is magnificently crafted and perfused by inlaid with semi-precious stones. It is situated in the city of. Answer is answer number 4, Agra. The concept of Charbagh is the Islamic mythological concept, and many famous monuments are adorned with Charbagh. The baghs enhance the beauty of tombs, and this attracts the tourists in large number, who is known to have introduced the monuments surrounding by Charbagh. Identify the kings from the following: Taimurlang, Babur, Humayun, Akbar. Answer is Babur. The term social tourism describes first assisted holiday or vacation for disadvantaged groups in society. Second, tourism for proletariat. Third, tourism which forest groups activity. Fourth, tourism for bourgeois class. Answer is assisted holiday or vacation for disadvantaged group in society. Match the item in list first with those in list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer is Bhagavatam Hikat, Jammu Kashmir, Yakshagana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Manipur, Kayanga, Bajyanga, Rajasthan. Arrange the following in order of the recognition as World Heritage Site. Answer Correct answer is answer number 2, and right recognition is Sun Temple, Konark. Next, Great Living Chol Temple. Next, Mountain Railway of India. And next, Rock Settlers of Bhimbetka. Question number 13. Match the items of list 1. Which item of list 2nd? Use the code given below. Correct answer is answer number 3. And correct correct destination and tourism slogan is Japan, endless discovery. Second, Vietnam, timeless charm. Fiji, where happiness find you. Israel, land of creation. Thank you for being assembly unordinary has been the tagline of which Indian origin hotel chain, celebrating its 50 years for the guest associates and partners in 2017 to 18. Option are the Park Group of Hotel. Next option, the Oberoi Group of Hotels. Third option, the Taj Group of Hotels. And last one is the ITC Welcome Groups of Hotels. Correct answer is the Park Group of Hotels. Question number 15. Ministry of Tourism, Government of India has launched a web application to facilitate hoteliers for classification and approval of their hotels. The official online portal for the same is Right answer is answer number 1. Question number 16. Minimum number of lettable rooms, which all rooms having provision of outside window and or ventilation for any star rating category as per latest guideline issued by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India 2080 is. Options are 25, 15, 100, 10. Correct answer is 10. Question number 17. Match the items in list 1 with those in list 2 and they choose the correct answer using the code given below. Correct answer is answer number 3. And Rabdi, Haryana, Kanhi, Kerala, Sondesh, West Bengal, Chicken Chette, Nad, Tamil Nadu. Question number 18. Which amongst the following is heritage hotel? Options are Taj Lake Palace Udaipur, Uberai Uday Villa Udaipur, the Leela Palace Udaipur, Radisson Blue Udaipur. Correct answer is Taj Lake Palace Udaipur. Established by Miss Travis Kalanick and Mr. Garrett Camp in 2009, Uber Cab has its head office is. Options are London, second option San Francisco, California, third option New Delhi, fourth option Tokyo. Answer is San Francisco, California. Answer number 2 is the right answer. Question number 20. Which of the following statements are correct? Options are Mr. Rakesh Gangwal is one of the founder of SpiceJet Airlines. Second option, Mr. Naresh Goyal is one of the founder of Jet Airways. Third option, Mr. Rahul Bhati is one of the founders of Indigo Airlines. And fourth option, Mr. Vavish Agrawal is one of the founder of Go Air. And code is there. Correct answer is answer number 2 and B and C is correct. These are Mr. Naresh Goyal is one of the founder of Jet Airways is right. And second, Mr. Rahul Bhati is one of the founder of Indigo Airlines. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.